Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix no active pools in Notcoin. Alright, let's begin. First, open your App Store on your mobile device and search for Notcoin in the search bar. Once you find the Notcoin application, check if there is an update available. If so, update the application to the latest version. Next, go back to your home screen and open the settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. In the General settings, tap on Software Update and make sure your mobile device is running the latest software version. If there's an update available, download and install it. Then return to the settings homepage and access the Wi-Fi feature. Then ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by turning your Wi-Fi off and then turning it back on. So that's basically how you can fix no active pools in Notcoin. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.